How to fix the security log is now full. Event ID 1104, on Windows. 1. Enable log overwriting in Event Viewer. 2. Archive the Windows security event log by running a PowerShell script regularly. Codes include, hashtag set the archive location $archive folder equals d:\logs\os hashtag how big can the security event log get in MB before we automatically archive, new event log name application, if, $results eq 0, the security event log size is below the threshold, manually clear the security log.